So this is the task B4, which is a presentation that we have to create. The thing is that they are saying that open a new word processing document, enter task B4, your name, candidate numbers, and certain number in the header, save the document as task B4. So what we will do, we just need to open a new Word documents and choose a blank one. After that, header B, your name and all these things, put on header. So this way, put all the information and then click on your file. After that, not click on the save as, not click on save. So after that, click on the save. We already created a section B folder, so click on that folder, and then they say that save the file as task B4. So make the name task B4. Okay, and then save these things. So we already created open Word documentation, and then this one we completed, save the document as task 4. This one also completed. Now move to the question, which is Shimon wants you to create a presentation for new drivers. Okay, the presentation must include 4 slides, so there will be total 4 slides. All slides must match the house style that I already showed you during the scenario. So we have to add the scenario. Based on that scenario, they already inform about that there will be a logo, a title, and all those things. Use a light green background, include a title, use text selected from the file presentation. Okay, then use appropriate images from the image folder, a fit for purpose. Okay, a fit for purpose. Okay, so the image should be fit with the purpose. That means some of the image there is issue with the lagging, or maybe you can drag the image a little bit, longer or wider. That will not looks good. So I will show you how to fit the image properly. So at first, what we will do, we open our PowerPoint. And then choose the blank presentation. After that, what is that we need to create 4 slides, right? So what is the issue? If I create something here and here, and then I want a new slide, they are not giving me this style. So what happened? Each and every time I have to do the same thing. So this is one of the issues. So what we will do, delete this both, right click and then delete slide, also delete slides. So go to the view and then click on slide master. So what slide master is do, that one provide us the same format slide, so the same text and everything will be same for each and every slide. So it will be easier for us to just work on the slide. We don't need to modify the text and the position of the image and everything. So we follow the house style at the first. So what is the house style? If I move to the scenario, you can see they are saying that the house style, this is the company document, the all heading are bold and italic, a logo in the left hand corner. So this one we have to follow. So at first we match the house style. Then what we'll do, insert the logo that you created during your task A1. Go to section A and then click the logo. Always drag the images from the corner side, so it will fit the ratio. But if you do drag this way or this way, it won't make the image ratio same. So make it like this, because this is the style we have to follow for each of our slides. So here the style is go to your home and then select bold and italic, right? So these two will be the style. So we already follow the house style. Put the logo left and the title of the presentation is in. If I go to my home, you can see bold and italic. Okay, now we will go to the slide master and then close master view. When you will close master view, these things put our logo here, and if you click here you can see that they are also using bold and italic. So for here they are saying that match the house style, this one done. Use a light green background. Okay, and then they also say that include a title. So we will open our presentation file that already gave us. This is the presentation slide, and from here you guys can see this is the title. So we go to our PowerPoint and then paste. Okay, so here there is one tips. If you paste using this, you can get the exact thing, but if you do Ctrl and V, you'll get the size a bit smaller. So always try to follow this one. Okay, so we already completed the title. The title like this way. And then they are also saying that include a title, done. Use a green light background. So for that one, right click and then go to the format background. From here choose color. This is the color. There you can take the light green, this color. After that, click on apply all. Okay, this one is done now. Hello everyone. So today we'll cover the last question, which is presentation. So we provided the light green, then this light green also done. Now we'll move to use text selected from the file presentation. So we can select the text from the presentation file that they are provided, but inside the whole question, if you read, they didn't even mention that you have to add full text in your presentation. So we can choose some of the text and then we can just ignore some of the other text as well. So start with the first thing that, and they also mention that we can use appropriate image from the image folder. So we will use this one in our first slide. Click on the enter. So it will give you that there is two things that we are offering, that is offering. So, and then from here choose this one. So it's better to look if it is a right side things. Make it a little bit smaller. And then we also get our image folder that From the examination database, from the examination folder, you can just choose any of the image from there. So here I will take this one. And for the image one, they are saying that try to put the image as a fit one, right? They are saying that be fit for purpose. So that means actually what happened, try to resize your image from the corner point, because if you do it like this, it won't look good, because it is the length is much wide, the width is much more wider compared to the height. So try to ignore these things. Ctrl Z, so it will come to previous way, and then you can just put the image here. So we have to create 4 other slide. Sorry, there will be 3 other slides. So click here, the new slides and new slide. That means we'll get the other 3. Okay, and it follow the same style. This one is bold and italic, and there is a logo. Okay, so now here it's saying that the first slide must also include, there will be a 30 time and automatic transition to the second slide. Like when it moved from the first to second, there will be a transition. And the second slide will include the stuff, roles and names from the file presentation. Okay, a consistent animation effect apply only to stuff name. So we understand what is the meaning of fit for purpose. We already saw the image folder, and we also take text file from the presentation file, right? That we get it. So now we will work on this one. So inside the question, they're asking to go to the transition, right? So from the header, go to the transition part. From here, you can see there is the after timing. So they are asking to get a 30-second, right? So put the 30-second here. So it should be here. And remove this mouse click, because mouse click is happening when you click each time on this slide. We don't want the mouse click, we want it will done automatically. And for the transition, you can choose any of this. Sorry, they are saying that automatic transition to the second slide, not the first one. So for the first one, we already included the 30-second, but when we go to the second slide, we will add a transition. Like there is so many transition, you can choose whatever you want. I want to choose this one. Okay, so you can see how this things is working. Like if I click on this, and then it will give you a view. So after 30 seconds, a transition will come and the second slide will come out. So similar like that. Now move to the question. So we already completed the 30 time and automatic transition to the second slide is done. Now the second slide must include a staff role and name from the file presentation. Okay, so if I go to here, this is the staff role, right? Staff role and the staff name are there. So we'll go to here, and from here you can just paste everything, take everything here, and from here just copy this one and paste it. Sorry, this Ctrl Z. Okay, paste it here. So we completed the second role as well. We staff and role are there, honor, name, instructor and drive master. So staff, we don't put this one. This is okay. After that, they are saying that, yeah, this one we take out already. A consistent animation effect applied only to staff names. So here the thing is that they said only staff name we have to put the animation. For this one, if you go here and then from the header choose the animation one, okay? But the thing is that when I will select any of the animation, it will take the whole line. So for this one, if I somehow click this one and then I want to this, but it take the whole line and put the animation for the whole line. So but in our question they are asking to animate only for the name of the stuff. So just enter and delete the name, organize it like this way. Also enter backspace to delete the name, that circle one. This one also enter backspace and then create space to align all the lines same way. After that, before I show you some of the animation, like if you want to remove the animation, then click on the animation and click on the none, so it will remove none. Okay, now I just want to apply animation on the staff name. So what I will choose, I just want to, okay, this one. So they are saying that consistent, that means try to put one animation for each, split. Okay, now if you go and click the start from the beginning presentation, you can see similar like that. Now here it is a mouse click, like when I'm clicking on the mouse everything is coming, but the thing is that I don't want mouse click because inside the question they didn't even mention about the mouse click. So what we have to do, from the animation tab you can just check here on click with previous or after previous, then there is some duration, there is move earlier, so we don't want the mouse click, so on click. So what we will do, go to with previous and remove the delay to something like that, duration to something like that, and then again click on the presentation and then you can see all things are coming automatically. Now move to the next question, what they are asking. So we already put the consistent animation effect applied only on staff name, this one also done. Now create the presentation for task B4A. Save the presentation as new driver, that means we have to save the presentation. This is our presentation, but the thing is that we need to add the other two slides as well here, because they are saying that there will be a 4th slide. You already just created 2. So what we will do, just copy these things, click here and then paste. Okay, this one same, paste, and here you can add some of the line from your, like I want to add these two on my 3rd slide. So click Ctrl C, move to your presentation and then Ctrl. Okay, so here you can see there's so many circles, but we only focus on the main word. So this one is the open word, we don't need here, we don't need here as well and here as well. So this is the 2-1 that we taken. After that, try to make it a little bit like this way so that we can fit some of the images here as well. So I take 2 for here. If you want, go to the home page and try to make the size of the text a little bit smaller compared to your main header. So change it to 26, change it to 20. This one also do the same. Go to home and change it to 20. Okay, for this one you can also try this type of things, like when you click on this, it will put the 2 alignment ending and starting at the same, but you can choose this one, this one is the most formal way. For this also choose this one, okay? And then after that I want to add one of the image. So for that one, click on insert, go to your picture, and then from here you can try to match image with open water and advanced OW, right? So I want to create add something like open water thing. So this one, insert, and then also resize it from this position, okay? Okay, and this one is talking about the opportunity to expand or something like that. So for this one, add another one. Make it shorter. Try to put the alignment of two images similar. Okay, now it's okay. So we completed the third slide, included the text, heading, and everything. Now we'll move to the fourth slide. So this one also you can add a picture if you want, but it's not necessary. But still, I think it will looks better if we add one of the image here. Maybe I can add this one a little bit. But it's up to you. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, nothing matter. Then we move to the third slide. We added the title. Everything is perfect. Now we will add the text. So from here, we already taken the 2-1. I want to take the 3 because some of you may be thinking that if we can lose the mark or something like that. So if you want, you can take 3, Control V. It somehow attach all the thing, right, in one slide. Remove these things. Always put the circle thing for only the main word that is highlighting the whole phrase. And then check both are 15, right? So try to make it a bit longer. Like now it's a 15 one, you guys can make it 20. I think it looks great. But this one also make it 20. This one also make it 20, okay? Now if you want to add image, just put it like a little bit here. You can get some spaces there, right? And always use these things, so it will align both ending and starting letter, and it looks really good if you use this one. For this one also, this, okay, done. So that means we already covered everything from our slides. Now we just want to add one of the picture. Just choose a random one and then insert. Try to resize from the corner, and then because for the presentation, if you add more images and less word, it looks more great. So we already completed the 4 presentation. That means these things also done. This one done, this one done, this one also done. So we have to save this as a new driver. Go to your PowerPoint, File, then Save As. Save as where you want to save it. I already mentioned you that create a folder. So we already create a folder which is section B. Go there, and then they're saying new driver, right? So put the file name as a new dive. I forgot the name. New divers. Try to make it all capital, but I think it's not necessary, but it's still it will be better. DIVRS. new diverse, then save the file on section B. So we already saved the file. Now take a screenshot of the transition setup or pane for slide 1. Paste the screenshot in document task B2. Then they're asking take a screenshot of the animation setup for slide 2. So for this one, go to your PowerPoint slide 1 and then we are added a timing, right? For this one, just take the screenshot of whole thing like this. The screenshot is already taken. Now choose the full Word documents file, and from here you just can, this one is the, okay, I need to copy these things and then paste the file. Okay, choose this one so that you can move. Now it's done. Now move to the second question. Paste the screenshot in document task A4. Okay, done. This one we already did it. Take a screenshot of the animation setup for plane 2. Here they are saying one thing. They are saying that take a screenshot of the transition setup for pane slide 1. So that means it will be better if we do the transition for slide 1, because in the question they are saying that transition to the second slide, but I think we can just change it to the slide 1. It will be better. So choose this one. Okay, and then take again the screenshot and paste it on your folder. Okay, for the second one, go to the folder and your animation one, select this portion of the file. Okay, and then click on animation pane. So here it will show you all the animation, and then take a screenshot. Please let me know in the comment section if you don't understand anything. Okay, so now you can just paste it. You can't move it, so based on that, just try it at this one, and then fixed position on the page. Okay, so this one is done. Now this one also done. Paste the screenshot in document task B4. Done. Resave the task B4. Do not print at this stage. Okay, so we have to resave it. That means go to your Word document and click on the save icon. So it's resaved. Resave done. Do not print at this stage also done. Now they are saying that enter your name, candidate number, center number in the notes and handout footer. Print a handout copy of the presentation that shows all 4 slides on one A4 sheet. Okay, so that means you have to add our name, candidate number, center number in the notes and handout footer. For that one, go to your slide, open the slide 1, go to your home, and the insert you get a option for the header and footer. So for the header and footer, click on the footer, and then from here you can add everything. Like they are saying that this is task B. This one is task B4, 4B, right? B4, B your name, candidate number, and center number. Would be like that, whatever. This I am just putting this as an example. Okay, then click apply to all. Okay, you can see each and every you can get the header and footer. Now they are saying that you have to add print handout copy of the presentation that shows the 4 slide. Okay, so enter is in the head and notes and handout footer. Okay, so they are not asking to add the footer directly, they are saying that notes and handout footer. So what's the notes and handout footer? So if you go to the view section, you can get 2 options. One is a slide master that I already explained to you, but handout master and note master, they are different things. The thing is that the note master is, if you write a note here, like there is option for the notes. So some of the time what people are doing, they are doing the presentation, they are trying to only put the header here, and this task they put it inside the notes. So when you do the presentation, the presenter will not see the detail level. So the people who do the presenting, they can see this by using the note, and they can explain all these things. So suppose I add these things inside my notes. Okay, this is my notes. So here they can put a number of notes. So it will be helper the people who present this slide during the occasion or anything, so that the client won't see the detailed view and the people can explain it more clearly, and they take this note so that they can remember each and everything. So for this one, if you click these things, you can get this view. Like this one, your presentation viewer, that your the people that the way you are present to the someone, they can see this one, and this one is your notes that you can see, similar like that. This is one of the example. So here you can add the footer. Okay, and the other thing is, go to your view and the handout master. What that one will do, that one is actually give you all the presentation the way you present. They will not add any type of notes here. That's the difference. That one will add the notes, this one will won't add any notes. But the thing is that you can just do so many customization here, but currently we don't need. Like if I make 1 slide, you can make 3 slide, 4 slide, is up to you. So the thing is that we put our header, name, candidate number, everything from the handout master. You can choose the note master as well, but I choose the handout master, and then here you can add your candidate number and center number. Okay, and for this one it will put it here, but still you can just go to insert and header and footer. From here just click this footer, so it will be more visible. Okay, apply to all, then it's done. Then handout master, close master view, so it closes the master view. After that, go to your file section and then create print. From print, choose they are saying that 4 slide, right? This is the 4 slide and this is our footer, everything is there. So you have to print this one and must be on A4 paper. So our question paper also mentioned about A4 paper. So how to identify the A4 paper? Go to the printer properties, and from here go to advanced. There you can see the paper size must be A4, otherwise if it's like letter or A3 you will lose the mark. So make sure the paper size must be A4. Okay, so this one is done. Now move to the question. We already completed this A4 sheet as well. Now we move to the second one. They are saying that Shimon wants you to add hyperlink and action button to the presentation. So insert a hyperlink to the final side of the spreadsheet. Okay, that means they are saying that we need to add a hyperlink on the final slide that must be connected with the spreadsheet, which is task B1. How to do that? Go to your slide and back to this one is our final slides. So where do you want to add that link? Just make sure about the cursor. Like I want to add the link here, so I put the cursor here. Okay, then go to insert. After insert, go to the link option. From link option, they will give you an option like what will be the text you want to display. So I want to display link to spreadsheet. Okay, and then what spreadsheet you want to connect? We want to connect task B1, right? And then click OK. So here you can see it's connected. And then if you control and click on this, it will open your spreadsheet. Okay, it's working. So this one, open the spreadsheet. So we already completed the spreadsheet question. This one, task B1 done. Now we will move to 2. So what it's saying, insert an action button to the final slide that include a hyperlink to slide 1. That means there will be another action button we need to add, which can take us to the first slide. So for that one, go to the insert and then click on the shape. Here you can see the number of things. This is the action button. Okay, from here we can choose a button that can take us to the upper page. So that means I think I can choose maybe information, maybe this one. So click on here. See, it already give you everything. So from here you can choose the first slide. Okay, and then okay. So after that, if you click on this one, it will take you to the first slide. But if I click here, it won't show anything. I have to go to the presentation, this one. It will take me, and then this is the, click on this one, it will take me to the first slide. After that, there's animation happen and take me to the second one. Okay, so we already completed that one as well. Insert the action hyperlink, done, 2 marks. Now we will move to the display the final slide to show the setting for the hyperlink to task B1. Take a screenshot that show the hyperlink settings. Okay, so then take the screenshot, then paste in the document task B4. So we have to display how we are connecting everything. So for this one, move to the last slide and right click here. After that, click on the edit link. When you click on the edit link, you can see the name where it is connected. It is connected to this, right? Take the screenshot of these things. I want to take the screenshot of whole things. After that, go to your Word documents and then paste it here. Now move to the, that means we display the hyperlink, we take the screenshot, we paste the screenshot. Display the final slide to show the setting of for the action button. Take a screenshot that shows the action button setting and paste the screenshot in the documents task B4. For this one, you can also do the same thing. Right click here, and then you can get the edit link. From edit link, you can get all the settings are there. So take a screenshot of this one as well. If you take this one also, this one is also okay, because this is the main thing we have to give the priority. Then take the screenshot and go to your documents. After that, paste the screenshot. Okay, so done. Now move this one, done. Take the screenshot, paste, resave the task B4, go to the, and then click on the save icon. Okay, it saves everything. After that, they are saying that answer this question on the document task A4. So the first one is explain one benefit to Shimon of using a master slide for his presentation. So I already said that it will give you a correct logo and the suitable title format of the title, like we're using bold and italic, so we don't need to go to each and every slide and then put the logo and the title each and every time, right? So this is one of the thing. That thing is that quicker to add new slide. So go to your Word documents. So the answer will be quicker to add new slide as all basic formatting has been performed. So it will also save our time as well because we don't need to edit each and everything. Now move to the second question. This one is already done. This one is state one reason why it is important to change the default file name when saving files. Obviously, because if we get a meaningful file name, it will help user to find files, right? So when we go through each of our file name or the inside the folder, we can easily understand what file name, what file means which things that we are saving. So for that one, go to your worksheet and then answer this one as well. So this is the answer. Meaningful file name helps user find file. Okay, so should be yes. So we completed our May 2019 question paper, and you can get all the solving paper on my Google Drive that I already mentioned on the comment section, on my description section. You can get that everything. And please like and subscribe and let me know if you don't understand anything or if you have any request for another question paper. Just let me know. Okay, thank you.